I'm Charmaine and I'm a senior interior designer at HollandGreen. HollandGreen are an award-winning multidisciplinary design studio of architects, interior designers and landscape designers. Often the case is that we are working across all three specialisms on any one particular project, which is fantastic. We are all in the same office, we work as a team, and it's just a really nice environment to be in. So one of the great things about working with artisans is the fact that they will go above and beyond in terms of sampling and their lengthy knowledge of the stones and the materials that they supply. We have forged some really lovely relationships with a lot of lovely suppliers, and when we are working on projects we often tend to go back to those same suppliers because they have the same values as us in terms of the quality in which that we want to provide. One of the things that we have to make sure that we do as interior designers is make sure that we are using the correct stones in the areas that they're intended, and artisans are fantastic at being able to impart their knowledge on our design schemes. So the collaboration between the two of us has been fantastic. We were asked to restore and breathe new life into this listed home. What we created was a design that completely transformed the property inside and out. You know, we considered the context and the history of the building when recommending the materials to our clients so that we could create stunning and contemporary spaces that uncover and celebrate the original character and charm of the building. When you kind of walk into your home at the end of the day, at the end of a long day, and your shoulders just drop, you know, that's good design in my opinion. A home should reflect the people that live there. And I think when people think about working with an interior designer, they kind of want to start from scratch. But actually it shouldn't be that way. It should be, a home should look and feel like the people who live in it.